Hello, thank you for calling Ipmont. What can I help you?
I have two HD30 vector control inverters and a pressure transmitter with two-wire system. I connected D1 and COM as start signals, P24 and AI2 as the positive and negative inputs. Which is the 24 voltage power supplier for the pressure transmitter?
The inverter,
Which parameter should I set for PID function?
P24, is connected to power supply, and the signal wire to AI2 terminus. COM and GND is connected. Generally it outputs the signal of 4 to 20 milliamps. If you are using HD30 inverter, you have to check the jump wire of analog, set F04.00 equals 1, which is PID enabled.
Okay. Oh, it works.
Right? Then you have to set a value for F04.03 which is digital, given value. Set F16.02 equals 5. Choose AI2 as the PID feedback channel. Set AI2 to 5.
The default value is 5.
Right?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for calling. Have a nice day.